What is up guys, and welcome to a new unboxing video on this channel. Today I'm going to present you the TIGRIS chip tuning. So when you're going to order the product, this is this box which is going to come to your place. On the first one there's PANTHERA Tuning with Passion, premium quality and made in Germany. On the side we have Power Like a Tiger. On the back we have some informations which are actually very important for you, and the most important one is our address, so you can join us with a coffee. On the other side we have Sprint Like a Cheetah and Roar Like a Lion, and this is going to be our setup line to open the box. And wow, there's finally the product, which is looking like this. But I'm going to put it on the side because there's some information on the back that I need to show you in just a minutes. We have the start button and we're going to push it, but first we need to put away the foam and open the box. We have a sticker, you can put it on your car, then it finally looks better. Then we have an air freshener for your car, so it finally smells better. And we have an instruction so you can connect your app. And now we're going to come back to the chip, because on the back side we have a QR code. And with the QR code you can scan all the information which this product is going to give to your car and your car to the product. So you have all your information onto your phone and just ready to grab. I'm going to put it to the side now, and we have some cable ties because you need some cable management. Nobody likes some cables just sticking out of your car, so this is your cable management tool. Put it into your car so everything is fine, because this is how the cable looks. Just put it out, plug and play, and your car is definitely gonna work. And we have some instructions in there, but I'm gonna show them to you in just a minute. These are the cables, use them. I'm gonna put it to the side now. We have a flyer in the box, because if you like this product, you're definitely gonna like the other ones. And we have all products listed into this wonderful, beautiful black flyer. Just open it, and then there you see that there's a lot of information and everything you need to know about the future of your car. We have two important pieces of papers. One, we have an instruction how to connect to the app and all the functions you have into the app, but you are going to definitely understand how the app works. If not, just give us a call. We're definitely going to explain it to you. And now I'm going to put it to the side. These are the instructions for your chip, and you can see there's just literally just two papers, so that means it's pretty easy. But if you still don't understand it, just give us a call or write us an email, and we're going to help you connect it with your car. Yes, I hope you liked this video. If yes, drop us a like and write down in the comments how your experience was the first time when you opened a box like this. And yeah, maybe we're gonna see us the next time. See ya next time.